Hello, Shidi Creatives. We want to learn how to make this beautiful bonnet Ankara cap. If it's something you are interested to learn, please stay tuned. Please stay with us and learn how to make this beautiful Ankara bonnet cap. As you can see, it's very beautiful, very beautiful. Please subscribe to our channel and like our video. Let's get started right now. So on your screen you can see the Ankara we want to use. We're using our Ankara fabric. We are using our velvet plain material. We are using our tape, we are using our scissors. As you can see, this is our Ankara. So we're going to fold it and do the measurement. Already you do the measurement. Can you see? I want to show the measurement. So you fold your Ankara into two because it's the same Ankara that I want to use as our lining. So we does not have any special lining for it. We use our Ankara to lining under. So that is what we are doing right now. That is what we are seeing on the screen. So you fold it into two first. We use our measurement to be 22 inches wide, and that is the wideness, and 22 is 22 all round, 22 wide, 22 length. So we'll now fold it into 4. So when you fold it into 4, you'll be having 11. So that's 11 we are measuring. Sorry, the camera could not capture the tape rule, but we are measuring 11. Then you measure your 11 round to get your flare round, to get your shape. So you measure 11 inches round. Can you see? That is what you are measuring round. You measure it round. You see? After measurement, you now take your scissors and cut. So we are cutting it right now. You can see we are cutting it. You cut it. Please subscribe to our channel. Press on the notification button so that you will get notified whenever we post any other new videos. So we have got it. We have 2 already, 2 by 4. So it's 4 on fold like this, 4 on fold, 4 on fold like this. So when you open it up, you'll now be having 2, which is the lining and the main fabric. So we are trying to make it straight. That's what we are doing. You make your measurement very straight. So you make your measurement very straight. That's what we are doing. Can you see what we are doing? Wow, this is very beautiful. So learn, stay with us and learn. Can make your own for your use. Can use it at home. The funniest part is people also use bonnet cap out now. It's not only for home use anymore. So right now we are having 2. We have 2 after cutting. So this is the 2. One will be used as lining, while one will be the main one that will appear outside. So right now we are now going to take our pin. You take your pin and pin round so that you will not be having a curved shape. You pin it round. That is what we are doing. We are pinning everything round. Pin your work. Always learn to pin your work so that you get a perfect work. Pin your work very well. Pin it very well. So that's what we are doing. We are pinning our work. We are pinning our work. We are pinning our work already. You pin it very well. Try and pin your work. So that's what we are doing. As you can see, we are pinning it round. You pin it round so that when you go to sew, it will not disturb, it will not be shifting. And time when you sew it, you now see that it will shift, and the shape you are looking for will not be so perfect. So you will pin it round so that you get a very perfect and fine shape, which will bring out a very good look. So you can see we have pin it round, we now take it to our sewing machine and we will sew. You take it to your sewing machine after pinning it round, and you sew round. You sew it round to get a very good shape. So this, we are now going to cut what we will use as our band at the up. So we are cutting our band already. We are cutting our band. See, we will cut our band down. So our band, we are using our hair circumference. We use our hair circumference to cut the band. So my head circumference is 22. So we use 22 by 3.5 inches. That's what we are trying to cut. That's what we are cutting. 22 by 3.5 inch. That is what we are cutting. You make sure that you straight your fabric. Make it very straight. Make it very straight, so that when you are sewing, it will not be difficult for you. Make it straight. That's what you are doing. Make your fabric very, very straight. And you see, sorry, the camera could not capture that size, sorry, but we are folding it. We are folding it very well. We are trying to make it very straight so that we will cut. By the time you cut it, you now get a very good look. So can you see? Can you see? You now make it straight. You measure it, you do your measurement very well. Measure it 22 by 3.5. So you can see. You can see it. We have 22. That's the 22 we are trying to measure. 22. We have 22 by 3.5. So we are measuring the 3.5. Sorry for the mistake. Sorry for our mistake. I'll give you a better one later. 22 by 3.5. 22 by 3.5. Measure it down and cut. Measure it down and cut. Measure it down and cut. 22 by 3.5. As you can see, we are cutting already. We are cutting. 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 We are cutting it already. We have cut it. We have cut it. So look at it. After cutting, this is what we have. After cutting, this is what we have. We now take everything to our machine and sew. So this is what we have after cutting. Can you see? 22 by 3.5 is what we have after cutting. So take it to your sewing machine and sew. So you can see we have sewn it. We have sewn the round one. So now, right now, we're not trying to bring it out. So you turn it to the good side. You turn it out to the good side. That is what we are doing. Turn it out. Turn your work out. Try and always turn your work out very neat. Make it neat. Try and turn it out. So we have turned it out, as you can see. We have turned it out very perfectly. We have turned it out. We have turned our work out. So you can even iron it to give a very good, perfect finishing. You can iron it very well. But since the fabric is new fabric and it's not a squeezed fabric, so you may not need ironing. So you can see we are done. So now we go ahead and close the place we turn out. The place we bring the fabric out of, we will secure it. We're now going to secure it with our machine. So right now we are done. So after everything, you start your pleat. Look at the way you will pleat. You can do your own measurement if you want to pleat. So I'm just showing you because I'm going to the machine to pleat it, to finish the pleating. So you see, you now pleat. You now begin to create a pleat. You can create a pleat with any inches you like. See, we are done with our pleat. Look at our pleat. Look at the way it's looking. We are done with our pleat already. We have pleat it. So right now, we go back to our machine and we put our band. We have seen our band too. We are bring it out. So you sew the band to the main cap. So the band, you can pin it down so that it will not stress you. So you sew it down. Sew your band to it on your machine. You get to a machine and sew the band out right now. We are going to sew our band right now. We are going to sew our band. We are going to sew our band right now. You sew your band to the cap right now. See, we are done. We are done with the sewing of the band. So this is how it's looking good already. Looking good, looking fine already. Looking fine. If it's something you're interested in, please go back and watch our video. Press the subscribe button, like our channel, learn, create your own, and you will be blessed. Thank you.